Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Virgin Pulse Wellness Program step by step clearly. To activate your Virgin Pulse Wellness Program, begin by visiting the official Virgin Pulse website. Locate the Sign In button on the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. If you are a new user, look for the Create an Account link on the Sign In page. Click on the Create an Account link to start the registration process. You will need to enter your email address associated with your wellness program. After entering your email, click on Continue. Check your inbox for an email from Virgin Pulse. Follow the instructions in the email to set your password. Once your password is set, return to the Sign In page. Enter your email and newly created password. Click Sign In to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the onboarding section of your dashboard. Complete any required personal information fields as prompted. Review the terms and conditions, then accept them to proceed. Explore the program features to understand the available resources. Personalize your wellness goals by selecting activities that interest you. Engage with the daily challenges to enhance your wellness journey. Set up notifications to keep track of your progress. Continue to explore and utilize the tools offered to maximize your experience. Congratulations, your Virgin Pulse Wellness Program is now activated and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.